Hi Rich, here I am. Anyway, yeah. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Um, my name is Chris Gerber, as you can maybe see on my description. And yes, the lady I mentioned in the beginning just now, she's a lady friend of mine. She actually convinced me enough to actually also try this. So that's why I'm here. Yeah, I've got a few things I can show you guys. I can take you on a motorcycle trip. I can take it to work with me and show you what I do. I operate a machine on a building site. Um, you might find it interesting. I sometimes do some electronics. Some of it works, some don't. But yeah, and I'm a amateur radio operator, so maybe we can see if we can, or I can show you how I make any overseas contacts here from South Africa. Yeah, with 100 watt on a good day, you can talk to people in Europe, America, China. Yeah, even China with 100 watt. But like I say, yeah, I'll explain all the detail how it works. We call it propagation. What the sun actually does to the earth with the magnetic field and all that stuff. So yeah, we will get there. Um, I just want to thank Reg for convincing me to also try a hand at this. Let's see where this goes to. Maybe you find it interesting, maybe not, but I'm gonna try. And yeah, we'll do that subscription thing and the notification thing. Yeah, that bell. And if you want to give me a thumbs up, then I'll see you soon. Cheers.